and they take advantage of that. They do. And we get miserable and we get tired and we leave, or we're like me, you know? And, and right now I'm seeing it, man. It hurts because, even with my leg, dude, we could have made something work,
Yeah.
and it's just more, another one and another one and another one. You're like, yo, I'm not going to degrade myself physically to the point where my after this will be no good. So I
Right.
give you what I have left, and then I have nothing left for me.
And I've asked you about, because it's kind of like you haven't really come out and said it, but I could sense that there was something going on physically with you, where it was just like you were going to work was struggling, from a production standpoint, I guess, physically, right? And you didn't really,
So
see, you have a leg injury.
so I have a leg injury from a car accident that I was in, and so I have a bar in my femur. I broke my femur in two places, and there's a lot of hardware in my heel at the bottom on my right side. And it was getting worse. I was getting buildup in what was left of the joints. So they fused one joint, so there's another joint in there that's basically taking the brunt of everything.
Right.
So, I mean, I'll be open and honest in here. I'm a recovering drug addict. So this was at a time when I was coming out of that, and I was rebuilding my life, and I really went hard. I was working in my drive, and I just was putting a lot on my leg over the years, and it's basically, doctors told me about a year and a half ago, to like, you need to find a different career. And I was at a point where it was like, I don't know what else I can do. I didn't know that I had any other worth outside of what I was doing. I was defeated.